Hi and welcome back to Tier 10 to Prem. Today is the day. If we're going to win this league, it's going to be these two episodes. And if we can beat Truro in the first one, it's all done and dusted. But, it is a big but. We have to do it first. And it's going to be tricky. Yeah, this lot, they're going to want to stop us. Please do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also get notified when we're next up. Yes, it's we've had a 2-week break actually. I'll just show you the table. So the schedule, as we can see, we've got 2 home games, Truro and Billericay. And with the table, as you can see, we're 3 points clear. So a win today wraps it up. No questions about it. But Maidstone have got Weymouth. So it's a tough one for them as well. So we'll have to wait and see. It's not going to be easy by any stretch of the imagination. Truro, they can't go down no more. Billericay are already down. So you'd like to think the fact that we've got Truro and Billericay in the last 2 games would say that we're going to go up as league winners. But there's also a chance that we might still end up in that horrendous playoff. We shall see. But today's team is Harvey in goal, Todd at right back for the suspended Robinson, Richards, Purcell, Lovell, Kite and Crawford, Glover, Ford, Pickering and Goldsworthy. So, yes, it's a few changes, a little bit of a change, but we'll see how we get on today. And I'm not at all 100% confident in this game, I tell you. I just got a sneaking suspicion that it might go down to that final game against Billericay. But we will see. We shall see. And I think we need to fire the boys up early on. Let's get them fired up. Pressurised, overwhelmed, yes. Oh, it's Mark. Oh no, they haven't got... I thought they had each other. I don't know why. I think that was the last game. They played each other and drew. But Ford coming forward, all the way forward. He smashes it. Yeah, Margate are actually home to Lewis, who are down the bottom. And Weymouth have got Taunton. So that's not really important. It's Maidstone against Lewis. Maybe in the comments you could let me know how it's meant to be said. So this could be a double game episode, or it might just be a single game. We'll have to see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all done and dusted in a nice short little episode. But 20 minutes gone. Don't really want to say anything. Just get on with it, boys. And it's Glover coming down the wing. That number 7 is a big lad, whoever that is. And it's straight into another highlight. Kite, Pickering, Goldsworthy, straight at the keeper. He definitely doesn't score as many goals as he used to. Let's make that change Jake has said about Hillier. Oh no, Truro in. Oh, oh, it's the local rivals. They're only up the road from us. And my word, they're going to make us go the whole way, aren't they, today, I think. It's definitely not going to be easy. And it's Truro again. And they're pinging it around beautifully, and it's just past the post. My goodness me. Maidstone still aren't doing anything yet themselves. So, as it stands, and Crawford's now picked up a booking, we need to fire them up. Come on, boys. Kite with the corner. Pickering short. In. Purcell. Crawford, come on. Purcell, we know he can't cross. Purcell, he don't know what to do with it. Look at him. Oh, and Pickering. Crawford, sorry, is there doing back heels to Purcell. We don't need it. Just lump it forward, that's it. Ford, Glover, oh, it's away. We just need that goal. We just need that goal. Maidstone have now gone 1-0 up and they're a point behind us. This really is getting tight. We can see that they're a point behind us now, going into the final games as it is half time. Oh my goodness me. Not happy with performance, I agree. Come on, boys. We have to do a bit better here. This is not good enough. Focus. Let's have a focus. We need the win. Goal difference and all doesn't really count at the moment. Just need to get that goal. Levels. Everybody's pretty fit. So we've had a 2-week break. And surely it's offside. Yes, it's been disallowed. Oof. I said about focus, boys. Come on. No, press the wrong button now. Come on, skip that. Time to make some changes, I think. And Ford isn't playing all that well. Feeling to come on there. Todd picks up the ball. And again, we've lost out Purcell to Lovell. And Pickering, he keeps it in. Glover. Can he go all the way? Kite. Little ball. He's had a shot himself. My goodness me, he's had a shot himself. Crawford off for Collins. And we will actually say to him as well. And Truro have scored. Truro have gone and they've only gone and done it, haven't they? Inverted winger on attack. And he smashed it straight through Corey Harvey. Right. Berate. Go more attacking. A draw will do at the moment. Lovell's having a shocker again. He's one player I am considering not bringing back next season. Oh, this is not what we want. We are purely there on goal difference as it stands. It's going down to the wire. Oh my days. It is going down to the final game. We've made all our changes. Todd is having a shocker out there. He needs a bit of individual... No, not that. What am I doing? I'm getting myself all confused. And it's 2... No, it's been disallowed. Thank goodness for that. What am I doing? Shouts. Individual. Encourage Todd. Oh, I'm going all to sea today. This is not good. Shout. Individual. Todd. Pull your finger out your backside, Todd, and get on with it. Todd. With the throw. Glover. Todd. And it's kicked away. And is it going to be a defeat that's going to mean final game of the season? Todd to Pickering. Phelan. Riley Lowe. Riley Lowe with his first goal of the season. That could be the all-important point. My word. Phelan to Riley Lowe, ex-Truro City player. And he has gone absolutely ballistic with that one. My word. Are we going to nick it? Are we going to nick it? Purcell. Like I say, he can't cross. Collins. Riley Lowe. It's nodded away. We're into last seconds. Goldsworthy! Mark Goldsworthy. Unbelievable. Oh my days. Mark Goldsworthy on the volley. In the added on time. Oh. That there means that it's still going to go down to the final game. We still got one more game. And that goal could be the key to it. So we've actually asked Lovell to come back. And I'm wondering now whether to bother. But let's fast forward a week for the final game of the season. So today is the day. Is this the final episode of this season? Or are we in the playoffs? Starting team today for Billericay. Harvey in goal. Robinson, Todd, Purcell, Lovell, Kite, Crawford, Glover, Ford, Pickering and Goldsworthy. That is 11 I've said a lot of times this season. We have got Mahadi is coming up fast. And I don't know how much longer I can keep him down. Just a word of warning for Corey Harvey fans out there. He is looking strong. We'll see. I would like to keep Corey in there for a long time. Come on, lads. Win this one and we seal the title for us. They seem happy. It's on the TV. Oh, we've got a TV game. And what are this lot going to play? Oh, not too bad. I thought it might be a bit more defensive, actually, considering they're already relegated. Yes, we can see there, look, Billericay are bottom. And out the boys come. For the final time this season, fingers crossed. And let's fire them up. Let's go for it, boys. Come on. We don't need much more than this. Weymouth is out of everybody's hands other than Maidstone, who are the only team. And they've got to have a 5-goal swing. And who have they got? Who have they got? Maidstone have got Oxford City. Mid-table Oxford. So, a point will do today, boys. But we'd definitely like to go out on a bang. And with 20 minutes gone, Billericay have not had a sniff. And it's Lovell to Goldsworthy. Ford to Lovell. Goldsworthy again. Beats his man. Goldsworthy. Oh, keeper saves. Keeper saves. Oh. Right. 23 minutes gone. First highlight to us. Second highlight to us. Glover. It's nodded away. Billericay have it. Crawford wins it back. Pickering. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy with his 34th goal of the season. Mark Goldsworthy. Well done. Hopefully plenty more where that come from. Pickering. Toby Pickering put him through. Goldsworthy does what he does best. Goldsworthy tries his luck, it said. And it's 1-0 up. I'm going to drop a bit of praise. That's what we need. They're confused. What do you mean confused? I'm praising you, boys, because we're 1-0 up. We're about to win the title. Oh, Glover. Oh, he's cynically taken down. Ref. What's it going to be? A straight red. Oh, that's what we need. Maidstone are 1-0 up. We're 1-0 up. Billericay are down to 10. That was an awful challenge. Ford, Lovell, Pickering. Toby Pickering with his 37th goal of the season. I think this could be the first time that Pickering outscores Mark Goldsworthy. Lovell to Ford. Back to Lovell. Pickering on the head. Keeper palms it into the net. 2-0 up. Title's ours, boys. It's coming home. It's going to be National League next season. Kite nods it away. Is that Maidstone just gone 2-0 up, or is that the first goal that's just come through? Pickering again. Pickering. Goldsworthy. It's an own goal off the goalkeeper. But Goldsworthy has to take the credit there. Let's have a look at this again. So Pickering got onto it. Put it across. Goldsworthy at the post. Keeper backed it into the net. You can see why they're bottom. Yeah, Maidstone 1-0 up. We're now 3-0 up. Maidstone 1-all. It's all going right today, boys. We've taken it again to the final game of the season. But the title is ours. Praise. Well done, boys. Half time. I'm delighted. I'm not just happy, Jake. Come on. I'm delighted with that performance. Now we need to get some subs on in a minute as well, I think. Just give everybody a run today. And it would be nice to keep a clean sheet, but we haven't. And at the start of the second half, Billericay have scored. Now, is this going to put the cat among the pigeons? It was a nice tidy finish from the lad, actually, into a relatively open net, but that does make it interesting. Ford, first one off for Phelan. Phelan, change your role, son, to inverted on support. Crawford's picked up a card as usual. Crawford off for Collins. Kite's picked up a card as well. Oh, for goodness sake, what the earth's going on here last few minutes? Have we got anyone to come on for him? Not really. But I'll tell you what we will do. No, we won't do that. I was thinking I might just bring him on. Lovell's actually having a good game. Maybe because he signed that new deal, maybe. They're messing around with their formation, they are. And who else we got left? So Purcell off for Mark Richards. Which very well could be, again, another player coming into his final days of his Mousehole career. Yes, we will be hot on trying to find some players this year, that is for sure. We definitely need to get some new ones in, and looking at it, there will be plenty of new transfers this season. And with 5 minutes to go, just seeing their tactics just bombing around all over the place. But Maidstone have done what they need to do. But we have certainly done exactly what we need to do. And it's Phelan to Collins to Robinson to Phelan to seal the deal with his 13th goal of the season. Alex Phelan. He started the move off. Put it out to Robinson. First time ball. Phelan there just to side foot it into the net. And it's 3-0. Now, will we do any more? No, there we go, boys. Excellent news. You can see Corey there coming across. And the trophy is ours. Vanarama South champions. Absolutely amazing. At home, I was going to say Trungle Park, Bickland Park. Never going to get used to that. And there's Corey again with his cartwheel. Captain. Could he be? Could he actually be Captain Corey? I don't know. Maybe that's something for the future to look at. But an XG of 2.11 in our final game of the season. And we had a crowd of 1,000 there today, I think. Congratulations. Yes. I am very happy with that today. Mouse will do the double. New limits are set. So we've got a transfer budget of £38,000, £6,000 a week on wages. I'm not sure how different that is. Currently spending... Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. It's doubled our wage limit. We've just doubled our wage limit, everybody. That now could mean a massive, massive thing. Richards praises Priisek following title win. And how old's Mark now? 31. He's not past it yet, but yeah, we do need to start getting players who it's not saying he's going to go, but yes. So we'll be back for our end of season review and transfer special. Hang on a minute. Not sure what happened then. If you've enjoyed that, everybody, please don't forget, hit those like buttons. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get notified about what we're going to be doing next up in the Vanarama.